Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HubStaff account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove access to an admin or a user in your HubStaff? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete access to an admin or a user in your HubStaff anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that a lot of times you're working with various assistants, but they decide to go their own way. So you need to remove access to your HubStaff. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HubStaff dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HubStaff account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove access to an admin or someone on your team, you're going to click on this menu here on the left, a little button called People. Okay, so once you click there, you'll see all of your team members or your admins in your HubStaff. So in order to remove a team member, there's a few different ways you can do it. If you're going to be deleting access to a lot of different members, here on the left, you're going to see this little box. You just want to go ahead and check the box next to everyone you want to remove. Once you've done that, you want to click on Batch Actions. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down list and you want to click on Remove Member. Now, if you want to go ahead and just delete one team member, what you can do is off to the right, you're going to see this button here, Actions. Once you click on there, here at the bottom, you're going to see this Remove Member. Now, if you don't see the team member here for some reason, it could be because they didn't accept your invite. So here where it says Member, go ahead and click on Invite. Okay, once you click in there, you'll see all of the members or admins you've invited, but they haven't accepted the invitation yet. But it's going to be the same process. You're going to click on Actions and then delete invite. Or same thing, you can go ahead and click on this little box next to their name and then delete them in bulk action. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove access to a team member or an admin in your HubStaff account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.